In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a team in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to head over to the Figma Team Project page. You can easily find this by going to your Figma homepage and selecting the appropriate team from your dashboard. Once you're in, you should see all of your team's projects listed there, ready for you to work with. Now that you're on the team project page, the next step is to click on the specific team project that you want to transfer. This should be a straightforward process as the projects are usually displayed with their titles right on the page. After you've selected the project, look towards the top left corner of the screen. There will be a share icon that you need to click on. This icon often looks like an arrow going upwards. It's a pretty common symbol for sharing, so it should be easy to spot. Once you click the share icon, the next step is to look for the option that says Transfer. This option is designed to help you move ownership of the project and its associated files to a different team or individual. Just go ahead and click on that. Moving forward, the system will then prompt you to click on the Next button. This is part of the transfer process, making sure you're ready and want to continue with the transfer. It's important to carefully go through the procedure to ensure everything is correct. Now comes the crucial part, typing in the Figma team link that you want to share your project with. This is where you specify which team in Figma should take over the ownership of your project. Make sure you have the correct link so that there won't be any hiccups later on. After entering the team link, your next step is to type in the email of the person you want to inform about the transfer. This is usually the team member who will be taking over your project, so it's a good idea to double-check their email for any typos. Once you've added the email, you'll want to message them something related to the transfer. Maybe remind them of the project details or provide any deadlines. This message will help them understand what they are taking over and why it's important. Finally, after you've filled out the email and the message, you'll see an option that says Request Transfer. Go ahead and click that button. This action will finalize the transfer and send the necessary notifications to the person whose email you provided. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your team project in Figma. It's an essential skill that can help with managing your projects more effectively and ensuring that everything is organized as your team and projects evolve. I hope this guide has made the process clear for you. If you have any questions about the steps we covered, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking it.